Your 2010-2015 Toyota Prius key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery. These batteries are widely available at retailers like Amazon, AutoZone, and Toyota dealerships for under $5. To begin, locate the seam on the back of your key fob. Gently pry it open using a small screwdriver or coin. Be careful not to damage the plastic casing. Most fobs slide open or have a small slot to insert a tool for leverage. Remember to handle the internal components with care to avoid damage. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the polarity. The positive plus side typically faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Ensure it's firmly seated. Snap the key fob case back together until it clicks shut. Test the fob by pressing the lock-unlock buttons from about 30 to 50 feet away from your Prius. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity and that the battery is making good contact with the terminals. Properly dispose of the old battery at an e-waste center to comply with EPA guidelines.